It's my birthday dinner.
It's a birthday dinner.
So we're going to dinner. We can't be late.
Right.
It's the last night for this cruise. Tomorrow starts a new cruise.
Correct.
So there you go.
Right. Happy birthday, my love.
Yes. Thank you.
She's 29 again.
This is new best saying. Okay.
All right. That was mean. Nice. Short video today.
Yeah.
We didn't do nothing but lay by the pool all day. All right. We'll see you out there.
Bye-bye.
I bring you that menu right about.
Now.
She didn't say it. Birthday. Got a beet salad.
And fried green tomatoes.
Fried green tomatoes. I got 2 minestrone soups. Right, Terry got a birthday burger.
Yeah.
She went way out. And I got the pini mariscos. Right, Terry got that banana split. Not on the menu. Just ask. You'll get it. And I got the bubbly cake.
Happy birthday, Terry Shah, right? Terry, okay. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Terry. Happy birthday to you. Terry, happy birthday. Your bags are packed, ready to go. Standing here in front of you, we had to see you go and say goodbye.
And they dressed down tonight. Birthday milkshake. Where are we going?
We're the Lucky Night Show, and it's always funny, so we'll let you know.
All right.
I have to do it again, all right? When I say hi, everyone, you need to say hi, Edgar. Let's give it a try one more time. Let's do it. Hi, everyone! Hi! Guys, but we want to have an audition right now. They only 10 couples right now. If you want to be part of the show, just come closer. We want to line your best stars on call. All right? We're going to start right here, my couple number 1. You need to vote just for one, all right? I have a space just for one couple to be on stage tonight. Let's go ahead.
Tarzan, where's my Tarzan?
Everybody's watching. Let's do this. My couple number 2. Take it away.
Tarzan, where's my Tarzan? Tarzan, where's my Tarzan?
Good job, couple number 3. your hands together. Show some love. Yes. Oh, wow. Very good. Let's see. Are you ready? Oh, I remember you. Go ahead. Take it away.
Tarzan, Tarzan, where's my Tarzan?
Good job. All right. My last couple. Go ahead. Take it away.
Tarzan, Tarzan, where's my Tarzan?
Couple number 5. My couple number 6. It was so close. It was so close. This is gonna be good. All right. Thank you so much.
He lets
Just
him
tell me
walk
with your
by himself,
information.
but he helps him up.
Thank you. Help me with your information. Pay attention. All right, let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. I'm ready. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Let's play the Love and Marriage. And where did you first meet? Jim, go ahead.
J.M. Fields Department Store, 1968.
Oh, she said no.
In Fields Department Store in 1968. Oh, hold on. Let's see, John. What do we have?
J.M. Fields in 72.
1972. That was
24 on Snapchat.
romantic. Let's see, Christy. What do we have?
Barry in high school in 2020.
Well, okay. What do we have?
Well, I couldn't think of Leanne's name, so I had to say her sister Jamie.
Thank you. Just put the keyboard on the chair. We want to stand in the front of the heart. Yes. Thank you so much. We want to stand right here on the front of the heart. Just come this way, my lovely. Yeah, that's in front of the chair. Yeah, on that side. It's okay. Go ahead. Nice. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for joining us tonight. I have a special brother ask for a standing ovation. So I will ask if you can just give yourself a nice kiss tonight. All right? To each other. And when you do that, everybody's gonna be wild and crazy. I never asked for a standing ovation, but at this time, they have been here on the main stage entertain you guys. They have been down, entertain you guys tonight. So if you can just stand it up and just give them a big round of applause. Here we go. Hit it, DJ. Go ahead.
We were drinking the more party mountain again. Okay, show of hands, everybody who's from Indiana. Oh, hi. Oh, when you get blasted. I hate those blurred lines. I know you want it. Oh, yes, you want it. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. All right. Rise up this morning and smile at the rising sun. Or what? 3 little birds. Each time I gather you down. La, 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 la. For
It's that time. Yep, it's the last day, so everything closes early.
The last day of this cruise that we stay on the ship.
Right.
It's my birthday.
It's her birthday. 29 again. So, cheers.
To another good year.
Our only drink of the day.
Cheers to another good year.
Happy birthday and to many, 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 many more.
Yeah. We're getting ready to talk. We got it out on the marriage show.
Yeah.
And so then we got to get ready to go back to the casino.
Oh yeah. Took them again today. Last night at 3:30 in the morning, and today I took them for 600 more. So, wouldn't give me no free sushi. So I told her, I said, I held up all the money I took out by it myself. All right, we'll see you on the next one. Tomorrow, I'm excited, it's cruise day.
Back to back.
Yep, all right, see you in the morning.